ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅಥವಾ ತುಂಬ ದಿನಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನೇನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸು. ಆದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು 1 ನಿಮಿಷ, 2 ನಿಮಿಷ, 5 ನಿಮಿಷ, 10 ನಿಮಿಷಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿದ್ರಿ. ಆ ಮುಂದುವರಿತಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವರ್ ಎರಡು ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಗಳು ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ವಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಇದ್ದನು, ಇದ್ದಳು, ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ವರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದ್ದೆವು, ಇದ್ದರು ಆರ್ ಇದ್ದೆ.
Come, you also have. Sit here.
Uncle, for me?
You also want?
Yes. Please come, take.
Please come, take.
Thank you, Uncle. Auntie, what are you doing? I am cooking.
Hey Amit, where did you keep my pen?
I kept on the teapot.
Where is the biscuit? Hey, where is the biscuit? Where is biscuit? Where is the biscuit? Yes, I got biscuit. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದು ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗೋಂಥದ್ದು ನಾವೇನು ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳನ್ನ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಥವಾ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆನೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದಿಂದ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು ನಾವು ಆ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ನೆನೆ ನೀವು ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿಂತಾಯಿದ್ರಿ, ಆ ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿನ್ನೋ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಥವಾ 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಿಡಿದಿದೆ, ಆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತದು ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಲರ್ನ್ ನೌ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಯೂಸ್ ಯರ್ ಐ ಆರ್ ಹಿ ಆರ್ ಶಿ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ನೌನ್, ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೌನ್. ಯೂಸ್ ಯರ್ ವಾಸ್. ವಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ವಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೆ, ಅವನು ಇದ್ದ. ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅವಳು ಇದ್ದಳು. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಇತ್ತು. ಸೋನಿ ವಾಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೋನಿ ಇದ್ದಳು. ಲೈಕ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಯರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಬ್. Then add ing to present verb because it is continuous time. Afterwards use your object if it is required. If you want to mention time, use your adverb. Now I say what I was doing in the kitchen. I was searching biscuit. See, ನಾನು ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. I was washing my hands. One more example. I was eating in the kitchen. Febin was crying yesterday. You saw on TV then. And without using present verb, we can make sentence. For example, I was in the kitchen. See friends, there is no present verb here, ing verb, but only was is here. I was means ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೆ ಕಿಚನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಕಿಚನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ. Now my teammates will say examples what they were doing yesterday or what they were doing in their house. Afterwards you to say some examples what you were doing yesterday or today before this class.
I was wearing another dress yesterday. I was sweeping the floor. I was eating watermelon.
I was crying. I was with my mama yesterday.
I was going to Bangalore yesterday.
Auntie was cooking inside the kitchen yesterday.
Second formula, that is verb formula, because verb is here helping verb. Use here you. You means it may be one person or two person. You ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದು ನೀವು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇಬ್ಬರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೂ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಯರ್ ವಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಯರ್ ದೇ. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಯರ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್. ಬಹುವಚನಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ಬೋದು ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಯರ್ present verb, then add ing to present verb, then use your object, then add verb. Were means ಇದ್ದೆವು. you were means ನೀನು ಇದ್ದೆ or ನೀವು ಇದ್ದಿರಿ. we were means ನಾವು ಇದ್ದೆವು. they were means ಅವರು ಇದ್ದರು. Example, you were watching TV yesterday. You were watching TV yesterday. My teammates were doing some activities. We were, you, I and my teammates were eating breakfast in the morning.
We were going to Bangalore yesterday.
We were in hospital yesterday.
Uncle, auntie and I were eating watermelon yesterday in the dining hall. We were learning past simple time.
Her mother and I were discussing yesterday.
Pause your TV and say some examples what you were doing yesterday or some time ago. Say to your family members and practice more. Next, negative sentences. First use your I or he or she or it or any singular noun. After that use here was not. Was means idde or iddalu iddanu. Was not means iralilla. Afterwards use here present verb, then add ing to present verb, then object. If you want to, you can use here add verb. Friends, I say now what I was not doing or what others were not doing. I was not wearing this dress yesterday. The TV was not on yesterday. Friends, here there is no ing verb, but it is also past continuous time. TV on agirlilla ninne. Next, Febin was not happy yesterday. Here also there is no ing verb, but it is also past continuous time because was is here. Febinanu ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ. Next, I was not cooking in the kitchen. She was not chopping vegetables.
I was not eating chapati yesterday.
I was not in English class yesterday.
I was not crying yesterday.
I was not fighting with them yesterday.
I was not sweeping the floor yesterday. I was not eating watermelon yesterday.
I was not reading newspaper yesterday.
Now pause your TV and say what you are not doing some time ago or yesterday to your family members. Practice more. Say many examples. Next learn now second formula, that is were not formula. You have to use here not after were. Were means iddaru iddevu. Not means were not means irlilla. Use your first you or we or they, then were not, then present verb, add ing to present verb, then object, then if you like you can use your add verb to mention time. Example, they were not fighting then. You were not at me here yesterday means ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ. My teammates, plural form is here. My teammates were not drinking coffee then. Now friends, my teammates will say some examples what they were not doing. Afterwards you say some examples.
We were not in class yesterday.
They were not playing.
You were not here yesterday.
They were not in the class yesterday.
We were not dancing. You were not sweeping the floor.
You were not eating watermelon yesterday.
Learn now positive yes or no question. For positive yes or no question, first use your was, then use your I or he or she or it. It is for thing. Then use your noun. Then use your present verb. Then add ing. Then object. Then one question mark. See here. I was means ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೆ. Was I means ಇದ್ದ ನಾನು. Afterwards use here. Sorry. Was I drinking tea?
No, you are not.
You was not.
Was I drinking tea?
No, you are not.
Was Febin crying?
Yes, Fabin was.
Was he washing hands yesterday?
Yes, he was.
Was she singing yesterday?
No, she was not.
Was it moving then?
No, it was
No,
not.
it was not.
My team members will ask few questions among them. Afterwards, you also practice more in your.
Was I drinking juice yesterday?
No, you were not. Was I with you yesterday?
Yes, you were.
Was I eating watermelon yesterday?
No, you were not. Was your mother here yesterday?
Yes, she was. Was I sweeping the floor yesterday? No, you were not. Was I searching mobile yesterday? Yes, you were. Mama, was she laughing yesterday?
No, she was not. Was I beating you yesterday?
No, you are not.
Was your TV? And question your family members about past continuous activities. Practice more. Ask many questions. Give time to practice. Invest your time to practice. Second formula, friends. First use your verb, then you or we or they, then present verb, add ing to present verb, then object, then adverb, then question mark. Your means ನೀವು ಇದ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ನೀನು ಇದ್ದೆ. ವರ್ವಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರ ನೀವು ಆರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀನು.